In this video, we talk about insert data. We use insert into statement to add rows to a table. So let's open the test database. From the drop-down list, I will select test. As you see in the test database, we have several tables. One of them is customer. So before we begin, let's see what we have inside this customer table by running select statement. As you see, we have 5 columns and 3 rows. Now, if I want to add a row to this table, I will write the insert statement. Insert into, then we have to write the table name, customer. Then I will open parentheses and I have to specify the column names. For example, I want to add values to all columns. So I have to write the column names, name. Then for easy readability, I will go to the second line, open parentheses. So I have to provide value for each column. For column name, I will specify a name and the address. And for the city name, now if I run this query, it will add these value to the table. So let me select the insert into statement and click the run or execute query. This row has been added to the table, so let me run the select query to see the data. As you see, a new row has been added to the table with the value which I provided. Sometimes you can provide the value for only 1 or 2 fields or column. So let's try this and see what will happen. Because I have specified only 2 columns, I can write values only for 2 columns. If I run this query, a new line will be added to the table, and let me see how it looks like. As you see, the new line has been added, but if you notice that because we didn't provide data or value for this field, they are null value, which is mean empty. So this way we were able to insert data to a table using insert into statement.